Welcome aboard one of the fastest trains in the world. It's the Shinkansen bullet train. Hello, I'm Max, and today we're taking the Shinkansen bullet train from Tokyo to Osaka. So, join me for this trip. We are here at the station about 30 minutes early, mainly so we can see some of the other bullet trains coming in. And after a bit of waiting, we soon started to board the bullet train. We are now on this train. On this train, there is a nice and sturdy tray table. It did take a bit of effort to get open, but it was fine. There's also a pretty nice coat hook on the seat and on the wall. There's a basket, and there's a big window. And in no time at all, we started to pull away from the station. We just pulled out of the station, and this train is really smooth. I mean, even though we haven't been on for very long, I think it's going to be very smooth. We are on our first stop called Shinkansen. We soon pulled out of Shinkansen, and we're back on the rails, headed for Osaka. The stop was very quick, and we are now out of the Shinkansen station. The second stop is called Yokohama. I'm on the opposite side of the train, and people are boarding on the other side, over there. So, see a bunch of people walking around on the street. The seat does recline. Recline's pretty far. It is now time to check out the bathroom. The bathroom on this train is pretty tiny, but it's fine. It's a very short train ride. When you're sitting in your chair, this train, it feels so smooth. But then when you stand up, it's like It took a while to find out, but there are actually plugs in the armrests. There is Wi-Fi on this train, but it is not that good. It's very slow, and it takes forever to log into. And you only get like 10 to 30 minutes of usage before you have to like log in again. It's just very frustrating. It's not fast. Like cellular data would be faster. Okay, our third stop is called Nayoga. We are not getting off on the next stop. The next stop is Kyoto. Hopefully we'll get off on the one after that one. We are now arriving in Kyoto. The next stop is Osaka, which is where we are getting off. We have just pulled out of Kyoto. We are just about to arrive into Osaka. Excited to get off the bullet train and go see Osaka. We are getting ready to get off, and we are now at Osaka. We are now off the train and in Osaka. Well, now that this trip is over, it's time for the Load to Max score. So let's get into it. On this Load to Max score, we will be doing the comfort, the ITE, and the service. So let's go. So first up on the comfort, I mean, decently comfortable for an hour train ride. I mean, it's kind of what you'd expect. So I'm gonna do 3 stars here. And then for the ITE, well, there wasn't any. I mean, there was Wi-Fi, but it was super hard to connect because it only lasted about 15 minutes before you had to connect to it again. So 2 stars here. And then for the service, well, there wasn't any. But there was regular announcements on the stops that we would be going into. So we're gonna give this a 3 star. So the low to max score for this is 8 out of 15 stars. But this is my opinion. If you ever decide to take this train, you may have a different opinion. We are now in Osaka and off the train, so video is in. So I'll see you in the next video.